Hey everyone, welcome back to the Elegancepreneur channel. If you've ever wondered what artificial intelligence is and how it actually works, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through an easy step-by-step tutorial to understand AI, even if you have zero experience. Let's dive in. First, let's define it. AI stands for artificial intelligence, technology that mimics human thinking and decision-making. From smart assistants like Siri to self-driving cars, AI is behind many things we use every day. There are three main types of AI you should know. Narrow AI, like Google Maps or facial recognition, and this one is the most common. General AI can think like a human, but we're not quite there yet. And then super AI, that's hypothetical and way beyond human intelligence. So yeah, it's kind of sci-fi stuff for now. So how does AI actually work? Let's break it down a bit. First up, data collection. AI needs lots of data to learn, like images, text, or even voice recordings. Then there's training models. AI is trained using machine learning algorithms, and it finds patterns in all that data. Finally, prediction and output. Once trained, AI can predict results, answer questions, or even take actions. For example, you show YouTube videos you like, then AI learns your taste and, well, recommends similar videos. Want to try AI yourself? Here are 4 free beginner-friendly tools you can play with right now. ChatGPT. You can ask questions, write content, or brainstorm ideas. Canva AI. It helps you design graphics and posts in just seconds. Teachable Machine by Google. You can create basic AI models using your webcam or images. And Pictory.ai. This one turns text into AI-generated videos. Oh, and the best part? No coding needed. Just follow the on-screen steps. These are great for students, creators, and business owners alike. Ready to dive deeper? Here are a few free places to start learning AI the right way. Google AI courses are totally free. There's also Coursera's AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. And don't forget YouTube channels like Simply Learn, Free Code Camp, and Crash Course AI. AI doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Start small, explore, and just have fun with it. If this video helped you understand the basics, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full beginner AI course next. Thanks for watching. And remember, the future is AI-powered and it starts with you. See you next time.